Calling all aspiring chatbot enthusiasts and newbie chatgpt users. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of Auto-GPT and unleash its incredible potential? Our thrilling YouTube video 10 beginner-friendly ways to use Auto-GPT. Get strapped in for an adventure you won't want to miss. 1. Effortless website creation. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to establish your online presence, a blogger to share your passion with the world, or an artist seeking to showcase your portfolio, Auto-GPT will be your creative companion. Auto-GPT is like a genius web developer at your disposal, but instead of relying on human expertise, it taps into its vast knowledge and understanding of programming languages by automatically generating the code required for your website. Gone are the days of painstakingly typing lines of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now, all you need is a vision, and Auto-GPT will breathe life into it. 2. Automated task management. Imagine waking up in the morning and finding your to-do list already organized and prioritized, with tasks allocated to the most suitable time slots. As you go about your day, the app seamlessly interacts with Notion, ensuring your tasks are synchronized and updated in real time. Furthermore, it integrates with Slack, effectively communicating with your team members or colleagues, all without you lifting a finger. 3. Advanced research abilities. Imagine this. You have a specific task, finding posts on Hacker News that are GitHub repositories. With Auto-GPT's advanced research abilities, you can easily accomplish this task. Harnessing the vast knowledge and understanding of the model, Auto-GPT swiftly scans through the vast sea of data, extracting the relevant posts that match your criteria. It not only identifies them, but also summarizes the information contained within. 4. Podcast preparation. You're ready to record a podcast, but the daunting task of brainstorming topics and crafting an engaging outline weighs heavily on your shoulders. Enter Auto-GPT, your creative partner in crime. By analyzing recent events, this remarkable model generates a podcast outline that will leave you in awe. Auto-GPT's analytical prowess allows it to delve into the depths of current affairs, extracting valuable insights and trends. It compiles a comprehensive outline covering the most intriguing topics, ensuring your podcast is relevant and compelling. 5. Intelligent alter ego. The alter ego of Auto-GPT, GoldGPT. This incredible virtual assistant is here to revolutionize how you manage tasks and maximize your productivity. Imagine having a proactive partner by your side, taking care of tasks with unparalleled efficiency. 6. Coding assistance. With Auto-GPT as your coding companion, the possibilities are endless. Need help with a specific coding challenge? This incredible model can effortlessly generate code snippets tailored to your needs, providing instant solutions. From small code snippets to substantial portions of code, Auto-GPT can lend a helping hand and transform your coding journey into a seamless and enjoyable one. No longer will you have to spend hours wrestling with complex syntax or searching through documentation. Auto-GPT's deep understanding of programming languages empowers it to assist you in writing code with ease. It's like having a knowledgeable mentor ready to offer guidance and eliminate any roadblocks you may encounter. Auto-GPT is a perfect companion even if you're just starting your coding journey. It can simplify complex concepts, explain code structures, and provide insightful explanations to help you grasp the fundamentals. With Auto-GPT, you'll build confidence in your coding skills as you witness the transformation of your ideas into functional code. 7. Discord integration. Auto-GPT collaborates with Discord to bring you an unparalleled task management solution. With this integration, you can effortlessly create task lists, add new tasks, and complete them with just a few clicks or commands. The process is smooth, intuitive, and tailored to fit your workflow seamlessly. Imagine yourself in the heart of a bustling virtual workspace. Auto-GPT works tirelessly in the background as you interact with Discord, transforming your conversations and ideas into actionable tasks. Whether collaborating with teammates, coordinating projects, or simply managing your to-do list, Auto-GPT enhances productivity by streamlining the entire task management process. The integration allows you to create task lists tailored to your specific needs. From prioritizing assignments to setting deadlines, you have full control over organizing your tasks with Discord. Visualize the satisfaction of checking off completed tasks and watching your progress unfold in real time, all without leaving the platform you already know and love. Auto-GPT's intelligent task management in Discord goes beyond simple lists. It enables collaboration by assigning tasks to specific individuals, facilitating seamless communication, and fostering a productive team environment. You can easily delegate responsibilities, track progress, and keep everyone aligned toward achieving shared goals. 8. Browser access with cognizers. You're sitting at your computer, faced with a daunting task. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, you open your browser and access cognizers. You connect with Auto-GPT, your virtual assistant and creative collaborator, in just a few clicks. You communicate your task, sharing your ideas, requirements, or questions. Then you sit back and watch as Auto-GPT springs into action, leveraging its immense knowledge and language prowess to provide you with a comprehensive solution. Whether you need assistance writing a compelling article, drafting a professional email, or generating creative ideas, Auto-GPT has covered you. Number 9. Database assistance. Auto-GPT is the advanced AI language model revolutionizing data retrieval and management. Its unparalleled capabilities simplify the process of accessing and analyzing data, saving you valuable time and effort. Gone are the days of manually sifting through databases and writing intricate SQL queries. Auto-GPT takes care of all of that for you, seamlessly navigating through your tables and generating the necessary queries with utmost precision. It's like having a brilliant idea analyst working tirelessly by your side. But the marvels of Auto-GPT don't stop there. It integrates with Slack, one of the most popular communication platforms. As your data is processed and analyzed, you'll receive instant notifications, keeping you updated with the latest insights and developments. It's as if Auto-GPT has its built-in communication system effortlessly bridging the gap between data analysts and effective communication. 10. Automatic sales prospecting. With Auto-GPT at your side, the tedious and time-consuming task of prospecting becomes a breeze. Gone are the days of manually sifting through countless companies and searching for the right contacts. This intelligent assistant leverages its vast knowledge and data analysis capabilities to swiftly pinpoint the top-performing companies that align with your target market. But it doesn't stop there. Auto-GPT goes the extra mile by identifying the key individuals within these companies who hold power to make decisions. It delves into the organizational structure, carefully analyzing hierarchies, roles, and responsibilities to identify the decision makers who can influence the outcome of your sales efforts. With this valuable information, you can tailor your outreach strategies to target the right individuals. Intrigued by the limitless possibilities of Auto-GPT? Now you can unleash your creativity and productivity like never before. From effortless website creation to automated task management and coding assistance to sales prospecting, Auto-GPT is your ultimate virtual companion. These 10 beginner-friendly ways are just the tip of the iceberg. Imagine the potential. So don't miss out on this game-changing tool. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing AI discoveries that will revolutionize your world. Get ready to unlock your full potential with Auto-GPT. The future is here and it's waiting for you.